Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Easy Sand 20 Joint Compound. This fast-setting compound is perfect for quick repairs. First, always start with clean water and a clean bucket. Gradually add the powder to the water, mixing thoroughly until it reaches a smooth, lump-free consistency, similar to thick pancake batter or creamy peanut butter. Remember, only mix what you can apply within 15 to 20 minutes, as it begins to harden quickly. Once mixed, it's time to apply. Use a 6-inch or 8-inch drywall knife to spread thin, even coats. For taping, apply a thin layer, embed your tape, then immediately apply a very thin top coat. When filling holes or cracks, slightly overfill the area to allow for sanding. Always feather the edges smoothly into the existing wall surface to minimize sanding later. Work efficiently due to its rapid setting time. This compound lives up to its name, setting in approximately 20 minutes, though this can vary with humidity and temperature. Once hardened, you can apply additional coats if needed. After the final coat is completely dry and hard, lightly sand the area using 150 grit sandpaper. Be careful not to oversand. Finally, wipe away all sanding dust with a slightly damp cloth to ensure a clean surface ready for priming or painting. Here are some pro tips for the best results. Always clean your tools immediately after use. Hardened compound is very difficult to remove. Store any unused powder in a dry, airtight container to keep it fresh for future projects. Remember, mixing smaller batches prevents waste and allows for a more relaxed application. Finally, when sanding, always wear a dust mask to protect your lungs from fine dust particles. Happy patching!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.